Ford today announced that the legendary all-American Ford Bronco 4x4 will soon be available to order in selected European markets for the first time. Bronco is offered to customers in the region in strictly limited numbers and is available in hardcore Outer Banks and extreme off-road capable Badlands variants, both powered by a 2.7-liter Ford EcoBoost V6 engine producing 335 PS and 563 Newton-meters of torque. A strictly limited number of First Edition Broncos will be available in Outer Banks or Badlands specification, each adding unique exterior details, an interior build number badge, and a selection of key available accessories, including neoprene seat covers, door storage bags, and soft mesh top depending on the model series. Bronco Outer Banks is equipped with a 2-speed electronic transfer case, allowing push-button shifting on the move between high and low-range gearing.